Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, November 7th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So after yesterday's tremendous run up, we spent the entire overnight in the upper distribution and above, as ES right now is making all-time highs in the overnight and pre-market. So is SPY. NQ just missing July 11th's overnight all-time high. If they take that out this morning, that will be gone, and we'll use today's as our overnight all-time high. But they're possibly going to make a new regular trade now all-time high. Are we going to gap higher again? Remember, we had tremendous gaps yesterday. I would have thought after yesterday's huge run, we'd get some consolidation. That is still 90 minutes to go prior to the opening. So they could easily come back in. I'm still looking for some form of consolidation today prior to the Fed. Whether it's going to be slightly above yesterday's high and in the upper distribution, or will it be firmly in yesterday's range? It all depends. I will trade today as a normal day up until 2 p.m. Come 2 p.m., most times on Fed days I won't trade. So we'll look for our staple plays early, which would be the overnights, one-time framing, and the IB, and then we'll take it from there. We're starting to build some wide overnight parks. 12 for NQ down here, 14 for ES, a tick above the all-time high. Righty, which was up 6% yesterday, also looking to push higher. All right, they're starting to get in spitting distance of their all-time high. So we'll see how they play out early today. They did not have a trend day yesterday. Remember, all they had was a day's high and low. So any acceptance back inside yesterday's range in writing, there's really nothing to lean on at all if you were to get the overnight low. You're only 6 wide. So keep that in mind, especially come 2 o'clock with the Fed. Again, early game plan wherever these overnight highs are. If we open close to them, it's a decent risk reward short. However, like in the last bunch of days, if we open away from the overnight high or low, and then we start making a run towards either one, I would take the opposite play and take either long or short to go get them. Again, those are the only early plays this morning. Overnight right now, almost all long, okay? Not 100%, but it's long again. Yesterday's market, very long. So we'll see if we get any kind of pullback to alleviate some of the long pressure and get some consolidation prior to 2 p.m. And then chart-wise, again, the main focus right now are our gaps, right? We have a nice 4-day island bottom gap in ES and in NQ. We'll see if those gaps hold as we are in uncharted territory. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.